Welcome in Learning Studio by D. Vivek. In this video, we are going to learn Voice Part 3. Friends, you know before this we have learned two parts of voice.
Friends, you know, in English there are 12 tenses. Active voice sentences are in 12 tenses. But only 8 tenses can be changed into passive voice. It means in passive voice there are only 8 tenses. Then which tenses cannot be changed into passive voice? They are future continuous tense, present perfect continuous tense, past perfect continuous tense and future perfect continuous tense. While changing passive voice of an imperative sentence, we use this formula: let plus object plus be plus V3. See, all these are imperative sentences. See the first sentence, open the window. Open is verb, the window is object. This is an imperative sentence. Now let's change it into passive voice. Take let in the beginning, let, then take object, the window, then take be and past participle of main verb, open the. Let the window be opened. Next sentence, change the voice. Change is verb, the voice is object. Sentence begins with let, then take object, the voice. Let the voice be, and V3 form of change is changed. Let the voice be changed. Add a question tag. Add is verb here. A question tag is object. Take let in the beginning. Let, then object, a question tag. Let a question tag be added. Let a question tag be added. Now fourth sentence, it is negative sentence. Use the same formula. Push is verb, the door is object. Take let in the beginning, let, then object, let the door, then take not. There is don't, no. So instead of don't, take not only. Let the door, not, then take be with the form of main verb. Let the door not be pushed. Last sentence is, don't touch my books. Touch is verb, my books is object. Use same formula. Let object, my books, not be touched. Let my books not be touched. So in this way we use let plus O plus B plus V3 formula to change passive voice of an imperative sentence. See, these two are also imperative sentences, but we can't use this formula. Now let's change this sentence into passive voice. See here, this is the verb here. but object is absent, there is no object. So we can't use this formula. Then how can we change the voice? Our answer begins with you are ordered. You are ordered. We use these three words to change the voice. You are ordered to leave at once. See, here when object is absent and the given sentence is an imperative sentence, our answer begins with you are ordered to, and then take the sentence leave at once. You are ordered to leave at once. This is answer. Now see the next sentence. There is a please word. Stand is there. Stand is verb. There is no object here. In this case, since there is please, our answer begins with you are requested. You are requested to stand here. You are requested to stand here. See, there is a please, there is a request, so we use this. You are requested. Now here, what about you? You know, you is subject of every imperative sentence and it is understood in an imperative sentence. So we have taken here you. After modal auxiliaries, we use be in passive voice. See the sentence here. They is subject, will is modal auxiliary, clean is main verb, this is modal auxiliary, clean is verb, the area is object. Take object first, the area will, then take be, cleaner, past participle form, cleaner by preposition, and then becomes them. The area will be cleaner by them. See here we have used this be. Now second sentence, we is subject, ought to is auxiliary verb, respect main verb, the elders is object. Take object first, the elders, then modal auxiliary, ought to be. After modal auxiliary we use be. The elders ought to be with the form of main verb, respected by, we becomes us. The elders ought to be respected by us. Third sentence, the teacher is subject, may modal auxiliary, punish main verb, you object. Take object in the beginning, you modal auxiliary, may. After modal auxiliary take be, you may be with the form of main verb, punished, preposition by, subject, the teacher. The teacher becomes here agent. Answer is you may be punished by the After the forms of be plus 2 and have plus 2, be is used in passive voice. See the examples. Here, C is subject, is to is the form of be2. This is the main verb. The letters is object here. Take object first. The letters. See here is, but the letters is plural word. So take appropriate form of be. The letters are. Then 2. And after this, take be. This. The letters are to be. Past participle form of main verb. Written by. She becomes her. The letters are to be written by her. See here the letters are taken in the beginning. Instead of is, appropriate form of be are to. Then in passive voice we use be. Past participle form of main verb written, and she becomes by her. Now next sentence. Take object first. Stale food. You know stale food is a singular subject. Take appropriate form of have. Has. To. Then be. Past V3 of main verb eaten by them. They becomes here. Them. Stale food has to be eaten by them. And last sentence. He subject had to is the form of have to. Where is main verb? A torn dress is object. Take object first. A torn dress had to be V3 where worn. V3 forms are where or worn. Worn is the V3 form. Then take by and he becomes him. A torn dress had to be worn by them.